Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Ed's Metalworks. It's been a while since we've made a video. Just been busy with a lot of other things. Anyway, I thought I'd bring you along on this little video we got going today. Little repair job. Let me show you what I got. We got a aerator shaft, I guess. Anyway, the bearing is bad. This part of the shaft has broken off tangs. Anyway, the owner brought a new shaft and new tang replacement thing, and all he wants us to do is get this shaft out of this assembly here. This sprocket and these two tang assemblies are all one piece, and we got to press that shaft out of there. But of course it's already been modified on this end by someone trying to take it out. But anyway, also this one tang on this salvageable part we're going to try and save has a broken off stud. You can see, you can see how much that bent before it broke off. It was supposed to be down in this area, but so what we might do is we might try to cut one of these straight ones off of this wasted part down here and replace this one here. But I think I'm going to saw this shaft off, being as we're not using any of that, and I'm going to get a support up underneath here, and then we'll take it back on our little press and see once if we can't get that shaft out of there. There was a pin through here and a set screw. Well, he didn't know about the set screw, so I don't know how boogered up that shaft is, but we'll use our 12 tons to try and press it out of there on our press. But anyway, we'll get set up to saw this off and down here, and then get back on the little press and see if we have any luck. Alrighty, I think what we're going to do first is get these tangs off of here, just so we don't got to fight them while we're doing this repair. I think they all come off fairly easy. We'll find out. So far, so good. By the way, all these tangs say Ryan on there. That must be the brand of the piece of equipment, I think. Alright, now we got all them off. We can maybe clamp this in the vise over here and saw this one end of the shaft off. I'll get you over here by the vise. Alright, see if we can get that sawed off there now. I'm going to use my portaband saw here. If it'll get down over that one spider. Yeah, looks like we'll be alright. Yeah, that made quick work of that. Like I said, we might try to salvage one of these one of these plugs for that to replace this one on here. So yeah, let me get set up on the press and we'll get that we'll get this shaft pressed out of here, maybe, hopefully. I might have to saw this off here too. Try to get that boogered end off of there. We'll go ahead and try to do that. We're here in the vise. Whoop. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. Can't get in there on an angle. We'll just grind it off, I guess. Get a grinder over here and grind that off. flip this around in here. Alrighty, we got that end of that booger shaft ground off flush here. And now, like I said, we'll get something to slide over here and support this so we can push that shaft out of there. I'll be right back. We'll go get set up to do that. Okay, here we are back on our little 12-ton, that's a homemade press. Sorry if the lighting's a little bad back here, but anyway, we're gonna try and knock that shaft out of here. I got this cabinet full of all kinds of things that I've used throughout time to push something off of something, so we'll use this little stud maybe. That looks pretty good. We'll give it a push and see what it does. Now we're gonna get you guys set up at here. Set you up over my shoulder and see what's going on there. All right. That seems to be going okay. Oh, jeez. Well, we'll just push that on through, I guess, too. You can find something else to push on it with here. All right, we're gonna stop. My little piece is stuck in there. Come on, let's see if I can knock that out of there. I'll be right back. All righty, guys, that little piece is gonna have to go on through with the shaft. It must be exact same size as that shaft. I should have checked that closer, but we'll just continue shoving it on through there. Seems to be going smooth enough. It's just long ways to go. Hope I ain't blocking too much of your view here. Ain't much to see. One piece at a time. Yeah, something fell out of there. Let's see what that is. Oh, the shaft fell out. Now we just gotta get my first little pusher piece out of there. I'll tell you. Didn't plan that one too well, I guess. There's the shaft. Got all my little pusher pieces back. All right, we'll go up here in the light and take a look at this and see what we got. Never very good at working one-handed holding this camera, but alrighty. Here's our piece. You can see where he forgot to take that set screw out of there. Kind of boogered it up a little bit, but luckily it lined up with this keyway, so I better go back there on the floor and see if I can find that key. Yeah, what the? Yep. I'll go find that key and then we'll discuss how to repair this part of it. Be right back. All right, we're going to try to prep this area here for a new one of these studs. Not a new one, but we're going to salvage one, I think. Clean this up first, get rid of this old weld. Reposition here a little bit. I'd have to get a little die grinder or something to get in there. You can see what I can find. All right, we got us a little die grinder. Trying to get you a view of this anyway. We got that prepped pretty well for another one of these tangs. Question is, can we get one cut off of here? We'll see. Find a straight one. This one's bent pretty bad here. That one's bent. This is about, looks like about the one we're going to use here, I think. We'll get over here and get it clamped on the bench and see what we can come up with, huh? All right, it's the cutoff wheel here. And a clamp on here. Keep spinning. Alrighty, by golly, we got us a piece off of here. I don't know, we'll have to do a little more grinding on the end of that so we can make it fit, I'm sure. But there we go. Sorry about that. Right in here somewhere. There's just enough gap in here for that tang to go on there. And if you can see that, let's adjust this camera a little bit. See this gap here? It's just the gap that fills in there. I don't know what we're gonna do if we're gonna. We just have to grind this end off of here, get down to the base metal, and see where we're at, I guess. Alrighty, guys, I think we're ready to get this new stud tang welded on here. Here's what we got. We stuck a bolt in there so we can get everything lined up good. Got our end all cleaned off. Got our star wheel all cleaned off. See if we can't get it tacked in here. Good weld on here. You don't know what these things might go through. That's what the man ordered. Got the shaft pressed out of it. It's got a new shaft ready to go. Let's see if that fits down on there. Oh yeah. Ready to rock and roll, I guess. Another job well done. I haven't quite figured out this new shaft. It's got a keyway in it. It's got a hole drilled through the middle of it. Here's the key that came out of that shaft, the old shaft, with no hole drilled in it, but a set screw. Looks like it's got a set screw mark on it. I imagine that's this set screw here, or this one here. I'll have to kind of stick it together and see what we got. Anyway. Whew. Thanks guys for joining along. I know it's been a while since I've had a video out, but please like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you will. And until the next exciting venture comes along, this is Ed's Metal signing out.